Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about yet another emergency update that Microsoft is releasing, and I think this one is even more urgent because it fixes a bigger issue that had started in the January 13 Patch Tuesday update for January 2026 for both 26H2 and 24H2 in the main release. So in this video we're going to talk about this new emergency update, this new patch update or out-of-band update that Microsoft is releasing, and I'm going to show you how to install it, more information about it, and what it fixes. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So first of all, the update that Microsoft is releasing is the update KB5078127 or 26200.7628. And what you can see is that you can receive it through Windows Update. The previous emergency update or out-of-band update was only available via manual install from the Microsoft Update catalog, but this update, as you can see, also includes the previous out-of-band update and some other fixes and is available through Windows Update. So just open up the Settings app. If you want to install it, go to Windows Update, click on Check for Updates, and make sure you receive this update, which will be KB5078127 or the build 26200.7628. As you can see, in my case, it's already installed, so I'm going to click on Restart Now, and then once the system restarts, we're going to talk about this new out-of-band update and what you can expect from it. So let's just restart our system so that the update will be installed. So now after the restart, you'll be able to see that we have the latest update installed. And if I were to go to the Settings app to double check, I'm going to go to System and then in the About section, and then you're going to see that we have the latest out-of-band update, which is 7628 or version 25H2. This was released on January 24, and as I've said, is a continuation of the fixes that Microsoft has to apply for all the issues that appeared in the original Patch Tuesday update. I'm thinking that this has to be the worst Patch Tuesday update in the history of Windows 11 because Microsoft had to release two emergency or out-of-band updates to fix some of the main issues. So let's see what this is all about. First of all, you can see that this out-of-band update includes updates from previous security and non-security releases along with an additional fix, and this is pretty much the improvement or fix that this out-of-band update applies, and it applies a fix for an issue that I've talked about in a previous video. After installing the Windows Update released on and after January 13, 2026, some applications became unresponsive or encountered unexpected errors when opening files from or saving files to cloud-based storage, such as OneDrive or Dropbox. In certain Outlook configurations that store PST files on OneDrive, Outlook may hang and fail to reopen unless the process is terminated or the system is restarted. User may also see missing sent items or previously downloaded emails being re-downloaded. So as you can see, this thing was quite a mess. A lot of apps not responding or not opening, and files lost that were sent through cloud related to OneDrive or Dropbox, Outlook emails missing, Outlook hanging or not responding. So I think this was quite a mess. Hopefully this update actually fixes it. And I think this update should be pretty much safe to install because this was one of the main issues and one of the biggest problems with this update. So if you install this out-of-band update, you should be good to go. And as you can see, Microsoft is also specifying that the update is offered through Windows Update for devices running Windows 11 that have already installed either the Patch Tuesday or the next out-of-band update, which is previous to this one. And of course, it is also available for manual download from the Microsoft Update catalog. So hopefully Microsoft learns from this and will try to use this experience as a learning base for next updates so that problems like this don't appear anymore. And as you can see, we still have this known issue. Password icon might be missing or invisible in the lock screen sign-in options. This is still here, so of course pay attention to this, and you'll basically start to notice that the password icon is not visible in the sign-in options in the lock screen. I think this is not such a big issue because it is still there, just not visible. So you just have to kind of look for it blindly, but you'll be able to find it. There's also a workaround that Microsoft is talking about, so you can check that out if you want to do so. So all things being said, a quick recap. The Patch Tuesday update for the month of January, which is this month, has caused a lot of issues. Microsoft released an out-of-band update to fix some of the issues and finally released another one to fix the main issue from the update. All the apps hanging and files being sent to cloud, Outlook emails missing or not responding, that was fixed. So of course, I strongly recommend you check for this update. If you want to install it, I think it should be a pretty safe update to install, but of course, it is also a safe option to still stay paused for at least a while before Microsoft is finally improving their update process in the year 2026. So yeah, it was quite a month for main release users. We usually have these kind of issues on insider channels, but I think for this month of January, the main release was kind of transformed into an insider channel with a lot of issues, but it's good that Microsoft fixed most of them and they are pretty much good to go. And as I've said, this update will be offered through the Windows Update, so you can just get it from here. You don't have to manually update it through the Microsoft Update catalog. More information about this update you'll be able to find in the article below in the video description or on the official Microsoft blog post. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Jimani from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.